This is what I'm getting ready to drive in. Actually, I drove here to to do it, so yeah. Ugh, snow. Not a fan.